Hello and welcome to my new video. In this video we will talk about 8 fun facts about England culture. The aim of this is to learn English through useful information. Please try to stay focused and let's start.
The first fact is jumping a queue can be illegal. Queuing is very important in British culture, and it is rare to see someone jumping a queue. We all know queue jumping is rude, but it is actually illegal in one place in England, London's transport ticket machines. If you jump the queue to buy your ticket, you can be fined up to $1,000 or pounds. Actually, we need this in Algeria. The second fact, England is home to one of the weirdest sports, which is cheese rolling. Cheese rolling is one of the strangest sports, taking place every year in Gloucestershire, in the west of England, during the spring. In this competition, an 8-pound round of double Gloucester cheese is rolled from the top of the copper hill, and participants chase after it down to the bottom. They are supposed to catch the cheese, but it is kind of impossible. So who crosses the finish line first wins the cheese. The third one, no black sockets in the bathrooms. You cannot find any bathrooms in England or in the UK with black sockets because of healthy and safety rules. Sockets are not allowed in bathrooms or shower rooms unless they can be fitted at least 3 meters away from the sink, bath or shower. 4. The World Wide Web was invented in England. www sounds familiar to all of us. But did you know who invented it? Tim Berners-Lee, a British scientist, invented the World Wide Web in 1989. While he was working at CERN, we are all aware of the impact this invention has had on our modern daily lives. 5. The popularity of coffee is growing. We all know that drinking tea is an important part of English culture. While tea is still the most popular hot drink in England, coffee consumption is certainly on the rise. Who knows, maybe in the future coffee will become more popular than tea. 6. England is the birthplace of many famous scientists. England is home to some of the best universities in the world, such as Oxford and Cambridge. Many famous politicians, scientists, and novelists in the world have graduated from universities in this country. Apart from that, England is the birthplace of many scientists who had a high impact on the globe. Just to name a few: Isaac Newton, who discovered the law of gravitation and invented calculus; Charles Darwin, the geologist and biologist known for his contribution to the science of evolution; and last but not least, Stephen Hawking, one of the greatest scientists of the 20th century. 7. You can't get drunk in English pubs. British are famous for their pub culture. Pubs are the main hub of various local communities, and they are a place to socialize and have a drink. But you are not allowed to get drunk there. It is illegal. The last one. England fought the shortest war in history. The Anglo-Zanzibar War is the shortest war in history. This war began at 9 a.m. in the 27th of August in 1896, when the 5 ships of Royal Navy attacked Zanzibar's royal palace. The conflict lasted between 38 and 45 minutes until the white flag to surrender was raised. In this short war, 500 people of Zanzibar died, while only one British Marine was injured. With this, we have came to the end of today's video. I hope you like it. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel and leave a comment about the topic you want the next video information to be about. Thanks for watching and